Okay, quick walkthrough of the 2025 Forest River Wildcat 37BEST. This is one we have on closeout pricing. 5-slide fifth wheel, about 43 feet long. Has a lot of nice upgrades, including auto level, rear hitch receiver, ladder prep, 3 air conditioners. So we're going to check out a little bit of the exterior. You see the battery disconnect, that's your auto level. There's also motion sensing lights. Now here's the inside. Look at how beautiful this is. Giant TV, 30-inch over-the-range microwave. You have huge windows throughout. Those are your zebra shades. They give you not only an island, but a breakfast nook for a little extra counter space. Nice big pantry. Your controls are all centrally located for your tankless water heater, for your air conditioners. We're going to head back to the back bunk room. There's our dealership dogs. So you have a couch on one side with a bunk above, 2 bunks on the other side. We're going to head up into the bedroom and bathroom area. So this would have washer dryer prep. This has a king bed. Nice underbed storage with gas struts. It's going to be, again, a third AC in the bedroom. Okay, we did this as a quick teaser video. If you want more information, please let us know.